Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a high-capacity home air purifier designed for serious coverage, the KNKA Air Purifier for home and bedroom, built for large rooms up to 3,500 square feet. This air purifier is designed to tackle everyday indoor air problems like dust, pollen, pet dander, odors, and allergens, making it an excellent option for families, pet owners, and allergy sufferers. At the core of the system is a true HEPA filtration setup, paired with a washable pre-filter that captures larger particles and extends the life of the main filter. One standout feature is that this unit is AHAM VERIFIDE, which means its performance claims are independently tested and certified. That's important because it tells you the purifier actually delivers the air cleaning coverage it promises, especially in large spaces like living rooms, open layouts, or multiple connected rooms. The built-in AQI display gives you real-time feedback on your indoor air quality, so you can visually see changes as the purifier works. The system automatically adjusts performance using eco mode, balancing energy efficiency with effective purification. For homes with animals, pet mode increases airflow to better capture pet hair, dander, and odors, helping keep the air fresh even in multi-pet households. Despite its power, the purifier operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, and nighttime use. With a modern design, intuitive controls, and smart performance features, the KNKA Air Purifier offers reliable, large room air cleaning without complicated setup or constant maintenance. If you want cleaner air, fewer allergens, and better breathing comfort throughout your home, this purifier is a strong option. Check the Amazon link below to buy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews.